when you're unsnapping and snapping. And sometimes you don't want to have to change these things a lot, like how I'm doing right now. But sometimes you do. This one of my teachers, Suzanne Stern, she was a gown draping teacher. She said, you do what you have to do to get where you want to go. And so sometimes if you want to get finished, you may have to like do extra bullshit, like take this thing out and put it and do extra. Sometimes you have to do that. Okay, bam. And so you can see from here, so now that's that. So see how that snaps, and then you can unsnap and snap and unsnap. Okay, so that's that. And then we did that one. So now we're on lining up the front. Now there are different ways to do the front, but I'll say it to you like this. Since I noticed that this fabric is not good for doing for marking it, then what I'm going to do, okay, so here I got that, and so that snaps, so I got the top, but now I gotta get the bottom. We almost done. So technically I'll just show this part, and then we'll do about one snap, and then we'll call it. So the way that we got to do it now is, I could put one more snap down here, but I just leave it that many, you know, because that's